Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday. And like we do on every Tuesday, we review the NZSX 50 for the week. So it'll be the week ending 1st of March. Gosh, the year's flying. So before I share my screen, just remember that this is educational purposes only. It's certainly not personalised advice or anything like that, or recommendations. It's just certainly my views on the New Zealand stock market and basically what I look for when I'm looking at investing in our local market or any market for that matter. So without further ado, let's jump across. Right, as you can see here, I've pulled up the S&P NZSX 50. That's just the gross index. And with the performance of last week. So really good. As you can see, we've had nearly 2.9% growth last week. The little candle here that we can see is not a lot. We haven't got a lot of volume. It's about 269 million. But at the end of the day, it's looking a lot more positive. We've had 2 green candles in a row. But especially this last week, we can see down here there's a lot of volume, okay, which means that a lot of people are actually starting to buy into the broad overall index. And that's a really, really good indicator. Another good indicator is when you look at these candles, when they have got the tails, if you like, good tails pointing downwards, that is another indication. It doesn't always work, but it is an indication that there are more buyers in the market than sellers. And so that's something else that we want to look for as well. But 2 positive weeks in a row, that is really, really good. So let's put on the moving averages. And if you follow me regularly, we use the 30 and always the exponential. And you can see there that we're still trading above both of those, which is really good. Because if you listened last week, I was starting to get a little bit concerned that the market could have been coming off a little bit. I mean, no one truly knows, but it's a good sign that we are still above it and have started to just get a little bit more of a gap again. And like I also said last week, the shares will always come back to the moving averages. Okay, so we started getting a bit of divergence through here where the share price or the index had gone above those moving averages. So quite often it will come back down and just almost touch them again before it goes. So to me, there's a couple of really good indicators there. Let's just put the 15-week average on as well and change the colour. Okay, really good. You've got that cross, that golden cross that happened around middle of January, which is great. We've got the 15-week moving average is trading above the 30. Again, still good positive indicators. One thing we haven't seen yet, though, is we're not seeing the New Zealand market sort of hitting any highs of recent times. The last time it had a high was about 12 months ago, or just over 12 months ago, as you can see there at the end of January. So we'd like to obviously see the market do that, but we're certainly on a positive territory. If I go back out 5 years, we'll just see where the market got to. So you can see, about 2021 was where we hit a high for the market overall, and that was about 13,500 points. So we're just under a couple of thousand points away from that. As you can see there, we're at 11,700. So great, positive indicators for this at the moment. Come back and see me again on Thursday. I've had a special request to look at Heartland Bank, so we'll do that. So anyway, stop sharing, have a great day, and we'll catch you Thursday.